Welcome back, children. In your class, string chapter is going on, and today we discuss very important question. See how we can search a word in the given sentence. The sentence is given to you: the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, and the word given is the. We want to search the keyword in this particular sentence. So how many times the word present? Here and here. It means 2 times. Now how we can solve this? See here. Your first line is import java.util.star. Then your second line is public class search. Then after that public static void main as usual. String 3 variables we have taken: str, str1, p. str contain the sentence, str1 contain the word that you want to search, and p contain the single word that we are extracting. After that 3 integer variables we have taken: I, len, f. I for the loop, len total number of characters, and f contain the frequency. Then children, char ch. This contains the single character. After that scanner line, scanner sc equal to new scanner. Enter a string. We are entering a sentence here with the help of next line. Enter a word to be searched. With the help of next function, we are entering this single word. See the difference in between next and next line. Next is used to enter the single word, and next line is used to enter the group of characters. After that, str.to lowercase. In this line, we are converting your sentence in the small letters. Then children, what is the concept of this? str equal to str plus space. See this sentence carefully. After the, there is a gap. After quick, gap. After brown, there is a gap. Fox, there is a gap. Jumps over the lazy dog. But after the dog, there is no gap. So we are adding one space from our side with the help of this str equal to str plus space. So now there is a extra space after the dog. Then find out the length. Then move to this right hand side. Inside the loop, we are extracting the character. So because the value of I is 0, it means we are extracting the 0 position character. So what is the 0 position character in this sentence? T. Check this character is space or not. Because it is not a space, so add this character in P. Your next character is H. H is also not a space, so add in P. Now the value of P is TH. Now the next character is E. Again it is not a space, so add this character is also in P. Now the next character is a space. So when we found the space here, your first word is ready. So move to the else part. If p dot equals str1. Now children, what is the value of p? The. What is the value of str1? The. Both the words are same. So increase the value of f. That is 1. Now for the next time, free this p variable. Put the space in p and rotate the same loop. And next time, create the word quick. Now compare this quick with the, both the words are same? No. So it means your f will remain 1. Next time, create the word brown. Again, it is not same. Same way, when we move here, your next word is the. So the is equal to the, again increase the value of f, that is 2. Now next time, lazy. Lazy is not equal to the. Next time, dog. It is not equal to the. So your whole sentence is finished now. What is the frequency of the sentence, the search word? 2. So in this way, we can find out the frequency of a word in the given sentence. When this searching is over, with the help of this system.out.println, print the frequency, print the value of f, that is 2. Okay, thank you.